Welcome to this tutorial where we will discover Planisy Mobile App. To access the mobile app, use any web browser and go on planisy.com. Open the menu and click on Login. You can then enter your credentials and you're in the mobile app. You might find it convenient to add the mobile app to your home screen by clicking on Add to Home Screen. Let's understand how to find a resource to be able to view its planning. To find the resource, you have the search option at the top where you can enter any text matching one of the two lines that you see of any of the resources. You can also select the type of resources you want to view. You can select one or multiple types. Finally, if you can also just scroll up and down. Let's open the planning of the airport in Geneva by clicking on it. You see here the planning of the airport in Geneva. To know which resource you are viewing, you see at the top, it's written Airport Geneva, top right. Every line corresponds to an allocation. We see that on the first day, 21st, there are 5 resources allocated: an electrician, a machine, a task, an engineer, and a vehicle. If you want to view the details of any of those allocations, just click on it. Let's, for example, open the task, airport electricity audit in building 2. When viewing a resource, you have 3 options: the edit at the top right, show schedule, and at the bottom, edit of the actual allocation. Let's start with the edit of the resource. Here you can edit the actual content of the resource. An example is, for this task, you have completed the work, so put it in done, and confirm that there are no issue to report. When it's done, save, and the task has been edited. You can also edit the actual allocation. Click on Edit and change the date. We finished earlier, just set, and save your changes. Finally, you can show the schedule of the task. Here you see that the task starts in February and ends on Friday 29th. To scroll in time, as you've seen, you just either scroll up or down or change the date. To go back to today, click on the top right date and you are back to today. To view a different resource, click where it is written electrical installation and where you are back to the first menu we've seen together. Let's review the schedule of the electrician. If instead of viewing one of the allocation and its associated resource, you want to view the electrician details and allocation, click on the plus, and the three same options appear. De-edit, show schedule, and edit the allocation. If you don't want to do any edit and close this resource, click on the X on the top left. You are back to the schedule. To optimize the viewing experience, you can enable the full screen. And once done, leave the full screen. Thank you for your attention.